Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 16 by 20 inch canvas that I have already primed with an extra layer of my Mead & Black paint, which dries really fast with using my OXO omelet turning spatula, which I'm inclined to use to put some paint on the edges just because I can. And that's some dioxazine purple, and that is a little bit of mysterious. Not that I have much left, and then it's the last one. But I think I accidentally made something up very similar to it. Here's some more of this dioxazine purple. The dioxazine purple is a Hobby Lobby brand. So I'm just going to move that right down to the edge. And then drag it up, and I don't mind if there's some spaces because I kind of like the way that looks. I have a surprise. I think I liked it better with the turquoise, the deep teal added afterwards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give myself some Anita's White Metallic, some Decor Americana 24 karat gold, some Venetian blue from Modern Masters, some Folk Art neon purple with golden iridescent pearl fine mixed into it. A little bit of orange, which is a Hobby Lobby modern, no, it's a Master's Touch. I want to do one of these where I blow it out and Dutch pour it, but I need to make a thinner mix. I'm going to use some Amsterdam Black mixed with Floetrol and GAC 800 in it, my regular recipe right under the video. But then I put 2 ounces of it into a cup and added, where is it? Minwax Pre-Stain Wood Conditioner, which is now on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is a great place to shop. It's on the link tree, which is the first blue link right under the video. So I'm going to put some of this, I'm going to wipe that water out of there. Not that it'll probably hurt anything. I'm going to put some of my mixture that I made earlier today right into my dish. Put the lid back on because I don't want to waste any of that. I'm going to mix small batches like Kathleen Miller suggested, but she also suggests that you need to use Australian Floetrol, and I disagree completely. Sorry, Kathleen, just the way it goes. So wherever I start this is the color of the cell that I'll get first. And look at that. That is something. I'm going to give myself a scrape dish. I've never scraped any of this stuff before. I've never done this before other than this morning with a sample. A couple of samples, and I put them in the Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group on Facebook, which you can find. You know what? I really want, well, I'll do that right now. I was going to say I really want to do the much wider card. So I'm just going to use the edge, like so. And isn't that the bomb? You gotta love it. So my recipe is 2 ounces. Did I tell you? I'm not sure I told you. 10 drops is all it requires. I'm going to use a little bit more of that. And I just love the effects this has. It's the bomb. I do use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixers, which means that if I leave my paint heavy, it's still not going to crack. That pink is the Prism Pour from Color Art. This is, I just love making cells. I know, I claimed for the longest time cells weren't important. And really, it's a good idea to learn how to appreciate what you can do without cells, but it doesn't make them any less attractive once you get them. Just going to use some more of that. Just put my card right in there. I like experimenting, what can I say? I like the outside edge colors too, I really do. I want to wipe this off, and I've got a nice studio rag over here. And I'm going to do a little more of this. I don't really want to get rid of all of that. There we go, that's alright with me. I want to steal some of this, put it right in there. This one's exciting. I'm enthralled. I'm sorry, I'm maybe even speechless, which is really unheard of. I use my residuals if there are any. Right down there. I'm inclined to put them on the card and then just use them up from the bottom also, and or down from the top, just as something different. And it does look different. I'm pretty happy with that. I kind of want some more white right there. Right there. And I wonder what would happen. I really want to know what would happen if I take my straw, a straw, there's a long straw, there we go, and put some of this right on top. And it makes a bloom effect, and that's cool, which means I need to put that into a squeeze bottle and maybe just use a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and add some more. I can tell you right now I'm going to be doing some blooms next. In my own way, because I've been waiting to find a way to do that without all of the expensive ingredients. Okay, I wanted to put that someplace a second ago and then I quickly forgot. I can put some spirals in here too, because I like spirals. We know that about me. Get rid of that pink eyeball. There we go. A little more right up there. So I'm not sure how much further I want to go with this, and I don't think I need to go that much further. But in for a penny, in for a pound. I want to find out what's happening every way I possibly can. And I don't mind adding a few things that make it look dimensional. At all. Especially I can make them sell up. And if I can, I'll find out in a short. There are some nice cells, yep. Just using the leftover paint on my spatula. I like those. That's cool. I'm happy. I don't think I'm done yet though. I want you to come out. Where's my spatula? Oh, I'm going to have a good time with my airbrush with this, I can tell. And I'm definitely going to be playing with my blow dryer. Pretty cool. I don't know about that though. Let's just add another little spiral. Sure doesn't need any dots. I'm really inclined to put some white right onto the black I have on my spatula and see what happens. No, I'm very happy with all of that. That's pretty awesome, honestly. Except for what I just did there. I can fix that though. There we go. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Tell you guys that I have over 92,000 subscribers and I'm really happy that you're here and you've joined us. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please be welcomed. I'd love to have you. And if you're a new subscriber, same thing. Please be welcomed. Happy to have you. I'm going to just drag a few tendrils here and there. Loving my color combination. It's good to please yourself. Too much fun. Just way too much fun. I'm going to have some more fun in a minute too, I can tell you now. Let me cover up my black so I don't waste any of that. And like I said, torch. Now please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I'd love to have that. This is as close to a bloom bit working out as I've ever had, and I didn't have to tip anything, and I'm looking forward to trying that soon. That was the most fun swipe ever as far as my results go, as far as I'm concerned. Where's my straw? I want to blow that blue out. Torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I already told you about putting GAC 800 in all your paint mixtures to prevent cracking, I hope. And if I didn't, you can check it out on the paint pouring recipe I've included underneath the video and under every video. When you click show more. You'll also find my email address directly under the link tree. You can contact me in regard to finding out when or any information you might want about taking a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. If you're interested in making a purchase of an artwork, please feel free. Do I want a little more white? I kind of think I might. just ever so slightly. There. I'm all good with that. I could keep playing with this for a long time and having fun. I'm going to try and zoom in because I know you guys will appreciate this. I know I do. Baby. I can't help it. Oh, that's awesome. That's like dream cloud. Dream storm cloud. Something awesome. Fabulous dream cloud. I don't know what I'm going to call this. Anyway, so maybe one more zoom. Because I can't help myself. I just have to share. I want you guys to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Check my playlists, all playlists, creative playlists on my YouTube channel for over 1,800 videos. This will be in swipes. And know that I love you. And my link tree underneath the video has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Appreciation is for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Totes and more is for shoppingpixels.com and Find Art America, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Fans and collectors will show you the artworks that are edited from the YouTube videos. If whatever you're looking for, it has a hashtag and a file number in the title. And if you are inquiring about the purchase of an artwork, remember my email address is right there. You guys can ask me questions if you want to. Check on my community board for tomorrow's video. Check on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group Facebook group for tomorrow's video. Check my community board. I just said that. If you want to talk to me on my community board, you can ask me to see the dry artworks and I will edit some of them for you. My Amazon link has my 2 books, volumes 1 and 2, Because I Can, and Unlimited Possibilities. And when you shop there, you might help me afford some art supplies. I have a monthly drawing, and you can enter the drawing by being a contributor through PayPal or Patreon. The icons are on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and the links are on the link tree. And you can see the prizes included in the exhibition video, included on the end screen in the last 20 seconds of every video. And that exhibition video changes every month, and those prizes change every month. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Make sure before you go, if you're interested in all over print leggings or all over print t-shirts, you click on the Teespring link below the video, and it will take you to Teespring and show you that there are lots more things than just what you see there. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you come again. I've been posting at 1:30, 3:15, 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. And on weekends, the one constant is 10 p.m. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights. But I post early in the afternoon most days. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I know, I'm being redundant. But this is awesome. I love this. I'll see you guys anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.